Ayush, are you giving an answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, this is a murder because the this cassette was deliberately recorded. If it would have been a suicide, then there would no one would have been there to stop the cassette, or in case of suicide, the cassette would have been go on playing till the police arrived. But when the police found the cassette was finished and the audio was already recorded. So it means the murderer had deliberately recorded. Then the shot was fired, and then the cassette was turned off.
That is the correct answer. That is absolutely the correct answer and a very good explanation as well. So I'll give it to you and I'll add 20 points to Ayush. And here becomes that shouldn't have been a murder if the recorder would have gone, means kept going on. So the next question would be coming up for Harsh. A train leaves from New York to Hamburg. 5 minutes later, another train leaves from Hamburg for New York, which is having the double speed of the first train. Which train will be closer to New York when they pass each other? So we have this question that the train leaves from New York to Hamburg, and 5 minutes later, another train leaves from Hamburg to New York, which is having a double the speed of the first train. So which train will be closer to New York when they pass each other? Mind you, you need not solve this question.
Yes, sir.
There's something that you need to catch in the question, and you'll get the answer. There's nothing like you put in efforts to solve this question.
Sir, actually, when they pass each other, the second train will be closer to the New York.
And any, do you have any explanations for that?
So, because they are passing each other and the train having the double speed will be more closer to the New York.
I'm sorry, I'll not be able to give you on that explanation. We'll be moving on to Parthiv. The question passes to Parthiv. Parthiv, please unmute yourself and then say.
See, yes, yes. See, Hamburg is in Germany, okay, and New York is in the United States. So, as per me, there is a sea between them. So, the train, first train, which leaves from New York, would be closer to the New York only.
Okay, you have got the catch, so I'll be giving it to you, which is not the exactly the correct answer which I was looking for, but you have got the catch, and
Yes,
the answer is almost there.
there's a sea
So
between.
I'll be giving you points for that. So the answer is basically none. So there's a sea between New York and Hamburg, and there's no train that goes to both the places. So Parthiv, I'll be giving you 10 points. That is a well thought answer. Next question coming up for Shatrunjay. Shatrunjay, your question. Hathoda Dagi bought a dog for 1,000 and sold it for 2,000 rupees. He then bought the same dog for 3,000 rupees and sold it for 4,000 rupees. What's his total profit income from these two deals? Okay, so this is a question where you need to put your mind. You actually need to put your maths in and solve it out. I actually want the amount, the profit amount which he got from the whole deals. It is an easy one. He bought the dog for 1,000, sold it for 2,000, then again bought the same dog for 3,000 and sold it again for 4,000. Also, we'll be going a bit faster. We are to the end of round one. We'll be starting with round two, and we'll be going a bit faster because we are short of time. So, Shatrunjay, do we have an answer?
So we need to tell the total profit that he got, right?
Yes. The total profit from all the deals he made.
That will be 2,000, I think. This will be.
And are you going to give an explanation for that?
But in the first deal, cost price was 1,000 rupees, and he sold it for 2,000. So the profit in the first deal is going to be 1,000 rupees.
Okay.
And for the second deal, the cost price for the same dog is going to be 3,000 rupees, and the selling price is again 4,000. So the profit will be 1,000. So the total profit from these two deals will be 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000.
As simple as that, I'll give it to you. The total profit made by him is 2,000 rupees. Yes. So I'll be giving you 20 points for that on direct. So we are to the end of round one. We'll be starting with round two now. So in round two, basically, it's more of a fun round. You will be seeing certain emojis, a set of emojis. You'll know what emojis or emoticons are. So these emoticons have been like picked up from your Android and iOS set, but they have been converted into vector form. So these are those emojis as well only. And so you just have to decipher those emojis to get a Disney movie. So basically, they would represent a character or a scene from a Disney movie. Putting 3 or 4 emojis together, you get a Disney movie. So we'll be following the same pattern. Bounce goes on from. We'll be going in anti-clockwise round. So we'll be starting from Shatrunjay and going till Akshat in this round. And yes, so you have to identify which Disney movie is being represented. Mind you, all these are Disney animated movies or real movies made by Disney's. So just before moving into this, I'd like to share the scores with you. So I hope you can see the screen. Achyut is not here with us. Akshat has scored 20 points. Ayush has scored 10 plus 20, 30 points. Harsh has 20. Parthiv has scored 10 and Shatrujay has scored 30 points. Is that cool? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So I hope you can see the round two screen now. Okay, we'll be moving into round two. The first question coming in for Shatrunjay. So basically, these are 4 emojis, and you have to decipher them to get a Disney movie. What you see is a girl, a kind of evil, not I would not say evil, but a creature, kind of creature with horns, and you see a flower and a girl surfing on the sea. So you put them together to get a movie.
can't think of any movie right now based on this. So
You can just go for any Disney movie you could think of with a girl surfing and a creature.
I really don't know. I can guess right now. The Beauty and Beast.
I won't be able to
But
give you for that. I'll be passing it to Parthiv now. Parthiv, will you be trying for this?
You can pass it on. I'm not able to.
Okay, then we'll be passing on to Harsh.
No idea, sir.
I guess you guys can just take any random movie's name. I will be passing on to Ayush now.
Alice in Wonderland.
I'm afraid that is not Alice in Wonderland. Passing it to Akshat. Please unmute yourself, then speak. Yeah.
Moan.
Sorry?
Moan.
No, this is not Moan. I'm afraid none of you could get this right. So this is Lilo and Stitch, the girl, a creature, and surfing on the sweet, a classic Disney movie. And we'll be moving next to the previous question was Shatrunjay. Next coming up for Parthiv. You see these emoticons. A horse, a rocket, a pig, a dinosaur, a kind of a robot, and a book.
Toy Story.
That is the correct answer. I'll give it to you. This is Toy Story. So that is how you work out the questions, and it was Parthiv gaining. Oh, I'm so sorry. Parthiv gaining 20 points in this. So we'll be moving to the next question for Harsh. Next question coming up for Harsh. You see an elephant, a rat or a mouse, a circus horse, another giant wheel, and a circus tent. You could think of any movie, Disney movie with an elephant, a mice, a circus setup.
So you can pass the question.
Okay, I'll be passing it to Ayush now.
Alice in Wonderland.
Again, this is not Alice in Wonderland. I'll be passing it to Akshat.
The Dumbo.
Yes, this is absolutely correct. It is Dumbo. Dumbo, a great movie from the Disney that gets Akshat a full 10 points for that. Akshat gave the correct answer. Again, it will be going back to Shatrunjay. Next question coming up for Shatrunjay is this. You see a crown, a fish, a ship. That is, the third emoticon is a ship, a dolphin, a shell, a seashell, and some cutlery. There are some limited movies that you could think of when it comes to a crown and fish and a ship. Yes.
I don't know this one also.
These are just easy movies which I'm pretty sure you must have heard of them. At least if you've not seen, you must have heard of them. But even if you want to give a try, please go ahead, or we'll be passing on to next person.
So, Finding Nemo.
I'm afraid that is not the correct answer. Finding Nemo is a movie from Disney, but this is not what is being represented here. Moving on to Parthiv,
You can pass on.
passing it to Harsh,
No idea, sir. I don't watch.
passing it to Ayush.
Treasure Island.
This is not Treasure Island. Means Treasure Island is not the answer I was looking for. Passing it to Akshat.
The Madagascar.
Madagascar, this is not what I was looking for. And if I had to put Madagascar, I would put other animals as well, right? Not only just the sea animals. So none of you gets this right, but I'm pretty sure after knowing the answer, you'll be like, you knew this. So the answer is The Little Mermaid. This is what I was looking for. So the previous question was for Parthiv, right?
Shatrunjay. It was for Shatrunjay.
Okay, it was for Shatrunjay. And then we'll be moving with the next question for Parthiv. You see a boy, a kind of a bear, a tiger, a snake, a monkey.
The Jungle Book.
That is an easy one, getting you 20 points for that. Parthiv, that which is just a second. Yes, that gets you 20 points. The Jungle Book gets you 20 points. The next question coming up for Harsh. You see a frog, a lip, means you see lips, a crocodile, a trumpet, some music, and some stars. The question is for Harsh.
So you can pass it to other.
At least you can just try to give it a shot, but anyways, I'll be passing it to Ayush. Trust me, the frog, the first two emoticons will give you the answer, will get you to the answer.
Pass.
Passing it to Akshat.
They pass.
So pass to the others.
Okay, I'll be passing it to Ayush now.
A bird's life.
Come up again, please.
A bird's life.
Okay, I'll give it to you. It is A Bug's Life, which is the movie being represented here. A Bug's Life is the movie. So for that, Ayush just gets 10 points in this. So Akshat, the last question comes for you. What you see is a dog, a Chinese dish, a kind of noodles, and another dog. What you see is two dogs, a Chinese kind of noodles dish in the middle.
Secret Life of Pets.
No, I'm afraid this is not The Secret Life of Pets. Passing it back to Shatrunjay.
So Lady and the Trap.
This is absolutely correct. This is the lady and the tram, and the emoticons clearly represent the poster of the movie. The lady and the rabbit, two dogs, and a dish in the center. So that is it, guys. That is I all had for the set. I hope you all enjoyed. We'll just quickly check on to the scores to see who is the winner. So this is the score we have. Akshat with 30 points, Ayush with 40 points, Harsh with 20 points, Parthiv with 70 points, and Shatrunjay with 40 points. Parthiv really got lucky in the second round to get all the easy ones correct.
Absolutely.
Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the quiz. We'll be sending out the e-certificates for you all by tomorrow. Stay tuned with our page. You can like us on the Facebook page, The Quiz Beam. And that's it.